Alright, this video is just going to walk you through the steps that you need to take to install pip, which we're then going to use to install some additional libraries that we'll need for the PLTW AP-CSP curriculum. So first of all, go ahead and open up Visual Studio Code, which I have already done. And then from there, you'll want to go and open up a new terminal. I've already got my terminal open here, and I've actually got the first command that I want to enter in here as well. It's usually a good idea to run an update before you make any new installations, so I'm just going to put in sudo apt update. It will prompt me for my password. It'll take just a few moments to run those updates. And then from there, I just want to install pip. Okay. Go back to that. So it's just sudo apt install python 3-pip. Okay, now you should have pip installed. So to verify that, we're going to type in pip 3 -- version. You can see here, confirmed, I do have pip installed. There's the version number. So that should work just fine. Now all I need to do is type in pip 3 and follow that up with whatever libraries I want to install. So pip 3 install pillow is the first one we need for AP-CSP. Pip 3 install pygame is another one that we will use. Pip 3 install matplotlib. That's the third library that we will need. And then there are two more. Pip 3 install pandas. And then lastly, pip 3 install godirect. And that's all you'll need for AP-CSP.